Lucas, what are you doing? Today I'm doing science experiments. Oh, you are you? What's your experiment? Well, today I have little birdie here, and I'm gonna try to make her fly really fast. But at the same time, I want to make her lay an egg. See, birdie here is purple and she has very pretty red sparkly wings, but they don't work that fast. So I'm gonna try to help her wings to fly faster. So how are you gonna do that? Well, first, I have these books that I've been reading right here. And above here, I made some experiments and fluids. So I just simply feed her and then put her through this light bulb. And then everything should be okay. Let's try it. Here's some drink. Okay, Birdie, you're just gonna have to stand here for one moment and wait for the thing to work. It looks like it worked. Okay, Birdie, just sleep for a moment and let's see the results. Oh, looks like Birdie's waking up. Wow, she's flying really fast. I think it worked. Good job, Lucas. Uh-oh, sounds like Birdie's having something going on. Birdie just had an egg. That's a huge egg. Wow. This is a giant egg. Well, let's go see what's inside it. We have to wait for it to hatch though. I think it will hatch very soon. This looks like a very healthy egg. It's colorful, it's purple, it's blue. Good job, Birdie. Looks like you did it right. Wait, I hear it. It's already hatching. Uh-oh, it's gonna hatch very soon. It's hatching. Whoa, Birdie. It hatched into a frog. Wow, Birdie, your own little frog you just made. So cute! You two will be best friends. Yay! Good job, Birdie, and congratulations. See you next time. Bye!